This is his recovery run. That hair be flopping, bro. Get over here, boy! Oh, Jesus.
All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise.
So it's definitely been raining harder, and oh, this definitely sucks. We gotta jog over to Mark's house though, so let's get a little move on. Really wearing tights, huh? We're going. How you feeling? Yeah, I feel that. We just decided that we're gonna do 4 miles out, 4 miles back, trying to drop 7-minute pace, at least under 7:15 pace for each mile. We're probably gonna go 6:45 on the way back because Mark's insane. This is his recovery run. And this is like a workout for me, so let's see how it goes. I'm just trying to stick. 1 mile, 7-minute flat. How you feeling? Jesus. I feel fine, but I won't be after we hit 4 miles. Oh well. That hair be flopping, bro. 2 mile, 7-minute pace again. Mark, how you feeling?
What?
Yeah, that's relatable. I'm like soaking. I might end up taking my shirt off, to be honest. That's just weighing me down. All right, we'll catch up in a bit. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Get over here, boy. Just off our 3rd mile, 6:58. So we're grinding right now. Running during this, what'd you call it, a tropical depression? Yeah. That's facts. Cruising right now, probably like 6:50, 6:55 I think. But yeah, feeling good. All right, because Mark started his watch late, we're gonna do an extra minute or so past 30. So we're on our way back, 31 minutes out. Going hard.
He's like, you know this delivery app for Domino's now? Now you can sit in the comfort of your own home. What a pussy of that I got, baby girl.
All right, so I took my shirt off because it was really weighing me down, and I was holding it, but my hand froze up. So Markus, the gym that he is, I was holding my shirt for like a mile. Oh yeah, we're cruising right now. Definitely under 7-minute pace. Probably 4 miles to go until we get back. It's raining so hard. Oh, Jesus.
my boy, Merch.
We're at 8 miles. We're gonna grind out one more, then we're done. 9. Oh my god. What do you think the average was?
50.
650?
Yeah. Maybe a little slower, 53.
649.
Damn.
Yes, sir. That was beast mode. Right on shirt. Thank you so much. Hi. Do you guys try or anything today?
No, I'm done.
We joining in the hot tub?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hot tub grind. Yes, sir. Nah, literally just like grabbing the hot tub and opening it up, the steam just went all over my hand.
Is it good to get in?
What?
Am I good to get in?
Yeah, whenever you want. No, that's understandable.
8:13 days. Oh my god.
Dude, be careful with your hands. They're gonna die. I did it yesterday, bro, and my hands, yeah. My hands just freaking collapsed on me.
There's a little frog right here. What's up, little froggy?
There's always frogs in there. There we go. How did that feel?
Warm.
No, the run.
It was good, man. It was good.
Yeah, definitely.
Nothing too straining, but it was pretty fast.
Maybe for you, not too straining.
You were chilling.
Yeah, a little bit, but that end hurt. Oh my god, dude, I'm gonna slip and fall on my face. Oh, that feels so good.
Bro, any day that it's like this when we run, I am totally down to take advantage of this.
Oh, 100%, dude. I always do. Freaking love it. That was a good run, bro.
It was a good run. It was cold. We're soaked. On the hot tub. It was good. It was good overall.
Alright, you're good to go.
Have a good one, boy.
Peace out. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching the video. That's going to be it from today. Love all things and peace out.
But still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our